Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher here with a little vocal tip for you. This is a real quick and easy one, but it addresses directly that little thing called stage fright or performance anxiety. And as many of you know, public speaking is the number one fear of a lot of people. So here's one little thing you can do before you stand up to give your presentation or have your performance is just take the time to relax your core and take 3 to 5 slow, deep breaths. Those few breaths will literally take your brainwave pattern from beta, where most of us are operating in our daily life, into alpha, which is a much calmer, more relaxed, and somewhat meditative state. So that's it. Just breathe before you stand up to speak. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. You can find me right here on LinkedIn or at laurahandke.com.